Hi, welcome to my home. I'm Chef Carl, Food Whisperer.
Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
Today, we're going to be making chicken satay, not sauteed, but satay. And it's basically food on a stick. You eat them at a lot of fairs, sell them. I believe it's an Indian-ish dish. And you just, this one's got sesame marinade on it. Cut them into strips from the breast, but you can use thighs. And this one has a peanut sauce. And basically, all you do is you take the skewers. Now the skewers I marinated overnight in sesame oil, a little Southern Comfort, and a little water, salt and pepper. And that's what it looks like. So these things are going to cook fast. Now, if you're not going to eat them as walking around for a fair, you want them for dinner, you're probably going to have 2 or 3. So I made some nice vegetable kebabs. I got baby peppers, mushrooms, corn on the cob, tomatoes, zucchini, anything you want. Now, you'll say, well, what about the seeds and the peppers? I cut the ends off, and I took the spoon like this and got the seeds so you don't have the seeds. You can even use jalapeno peppers. So what I'm going to do first, because these take a little bit longer, then I put a little olive oil on. A little sprinkle of rub. And off we go. Yes, this is a Navy outfit. I support all the people in the service. And as one person said last time I did a show, says, hurrah! I think that's the Marines, but hey, hats off to all present and past military. All right. So, kebab. I even made a mushroom kebab. Add your corn left over. Do various I used what they call bulb onions, and they're round like this, so that's nice. Okay, well that's cooking. Another thing you could do with the chicken satay is I sliced some eggplants up, I salted them, and you can see this is the water that came out. So now I'm going to put them on the grill, and you could roll them up. You could put ricotta cheese on them, or just roll them up, put a little red sauce and mozzarella cheese. So we're going to do that when I put on the chicken. It should take a couple minutes for us to get the brochettes cooking. Okay, so it's been about 4 or 5 minutes. We're going to open this up, and I'm going to turn them over, and I'm going to pour with this. This is some cracked black pepper and olive oil that I had pouring over the brochets, whatever, shish kebabs, whatever you want to call it. We're going to pour some more over it so it's got that extra bit of flavor. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is looking real good. Matter of fact, I'll just... Whew. When you're hot, you're hot. Woohoo! Fireworks. Try to get out of this without burning myself too bad. Whoa! That's hot. All right. Next I'm going to put on is this eggplant, and this is just extra. I salted it and dried it off. And if you want something additional with your chicken satay, that's a good way to go. And there we go. As I said, these brochettes, or the skewers, were marinated. So, and I use Southern Comfort, sesame oil, a little salt and pepper. And like I said, this is what they call fair food. This is only going to take about 3 or 4 minutes. We'll flip it once and we'll be ready to go. Go where? I don't know, but we'll be ready to go. Okay, we're checking on the eggplant. One thing I just realized is I didn't oil the eggplant, but luckily the grill is hot enough that they didn't stick. So now we're going to try to turn this chicken. And the reason why you soak the skewers, this side is sticking. Huh. Well, this is live. This shows you what happens if you don't spray a little oil on the chicken satay. I did this on purpose because I want to show you how they stick. Okay, I lied, but you get the idea. So about another minute, 2 minutes, they're going to be done. And then we're going to take it off, but I'm going to show you what we're going to do with the eggplant in the meantime. And again, you can either serve it with the chicken or you can actually make it as a side dish or as an entree. You say you're ready to be taken off? Okay, we're going to take our brochettes and the mushrooms off first. Kind of pretty, huh? It smells great. I wish you were here. And then the chicken, cooked all the way through nice. This side is the peanut. And this side is the sesame. Now I'm going to show you real quick what you can do with this eggplant. Put a little cheese, roll it up. You could use ricotta cheese. So what I started to do here is I took the eggplant And I make a little roll-ups. You can fill them with ricotta cheese, and you can maybe cut them a little bit thicker. And then I'm putting a little mozzarella cheese. I'm rolling them up. And this would be good as a dinner if you're a vegetarian. If you're a vegan, leave the cheese off or use a vegan cheese. Now I'm going to put a little bit of this red sauce over. And I'm just going to, it's sort of like an eggplant lasagna, individual eggplant lasagna. We're just going to let this cook while we're looking at this other stuff. If you're going to go to the fair, you'd get a couple of these and walk around and eat them, chew them right off the stick. See how easy this comes off. Whee! Over a bed of rice. And of course, these are the other ones. Those are the sesame. So even though I soak the skewers, maybe if you got metal skewers that work, they'll still burn a little bit. But I'm Chef Carl, and I'm going to show you now the eggplant lasagna style in a second. So this is the eggplant. Like I said, you could stuff with ricotta cheese, and I just put a little mozzarella cheese inside and outside. And it's nice and gooey. And you can actually serve them as little appetizers, you can see. All right. Well, also, if you want, when you're making the satays, S-A-T-A-Y, you can make some wild rice or brown rice and serve it underneath. This is Chef Carl saying thanks for putting up with me. Don't forget to subscribe to Chef Carl Food Whisperer YouTube. And you have a great day.